What's up, YouTube? We are back with What's up, YouTube? That was a mistake, guys. I'm gonna eat 1, 2, 3 spicy stuff. You know, last video we did with my cousin, and we do it again. Bring it! Let's go! Yeah, guys, we do it again.
Take it again.
We have not waste. Let's not waste time.
Okay.
And we must
3,
2. Wait, which one first?
This one.
This one. Yeah, this one.
3, 2, 1.
Wait. It's heavy. It's heavy.
Mike uses his dog's name.
Stop drinking alcohol, man. Stop drinking alcohol. I want you guys to stop drinking alcohol. That's a prank, man. What up, guys? It's the boy. One the kid here, guys, and we're back and better than before. What another banger, guys. You already know the vibes, guys. Today we will be doing a prank, guys, and that prank will be smashing people's alcohol in South Africa, guys. You already know what I do, guys. I approach random people. I take their beer, and what do? I take the beer, guys, and then we're gonna see the reaction and what we're gonna do, guys. So let's go, guys. We're at the bar right now, as you can see, guys. I'm gonna wait for a few people to approach, and I'm gonna smash the beer, guys. Let's see, guys. Let's wait till people come. Okay, we got a first victim. Yeah, James, our James. I tell you, man, right. Guys, look here. My throat is so bad, man. Isn't there maybe a black for me to drink, man, guys, man, please, man. What is the black? You're nice, man, guys. What is this? Another one. Nah, guys, you know what, guys? You guys are the best, guys, you know. It's a prank, there's the camera. There's the camera, guys. It's a prank, guys. There's the camera, it's a prank. It's a prank, guys.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
Guys, those niggas, they almost fucked me up, guys. I'm gonna get myself killed. But the video gotta go on, guys. Guys, you got some people there with the alcohol, guys. I'm gonna approach them. I'm gonna break the alcohol. Let's see the reaction. I know, scared, motherfucker. Away, Craig, alright. Craig, man, alright. I tell you, man, alright. Away, James, man. Yeah, always good. I can't complain. Life is good every New Year. Look here, guys, man. Look here, my throat is a bit dry, man. Isn't there maybe a black for me to drink, man? Look here, black. What is that, black? Black is good, guys, man. Look here, what is that also, black? Black, guys, you know what? Guys, you know what? Guys must stop drinking, man. Alcohol is very fresh, man. Guys must stop. Yo! Guys, it's a prank! It's a prank! It's a prank! It's a prank, guys! Oh, it's a prank! It's a prank! It's a prank! There's the camera! It's a prank, guys! I'm sorry! Mama! It's a prank! There's the camera, guys! Guys, it's a prank, man! It's a prank, guys, man! Yo! Yes! Guys! These people are gonna kill me out here, guys! I can't do this shit no more! But guys, as you can see, there's a few people drinking there. Let's go smash the beer. Real quick, guys. I know, scared nigga. How is it? Respect, James, man. Very man, right? Hi, guys. Very man, right? Look here, guys. My throat is a bit dry, man. Look, guys. Maybe a black for me to drink, man. A black label. This beer. Guys, look here. It's a new year, man. You guys must stop drinking alcohol, man. Sorry, guys. It's a black, guys. I'm sorry, guys. It's a prank, guys. It's a prank. It's a prank. Oh, guys. Oh, it's a Guys, these people are fucking me up. They're trying to kill me, guys. Look how my clothes look. But anyway, guys, don't forget to buy your candy, guys. On Cookies Online, guys. Don't Instagram and on TikTok, guys. You can get all the candy you want, boy. Guys, for the best prices ever, guys. Look at this, guys. Look at the sweets. Look at this gummy sweets. Guys, they have sweets for adults and for young girls. Guys. You better go check them out on Instagram, guys. Check below. Guys, look how my face looks, guys. No! Niggas are gonna fuck me up here, guys. I'm gonna get myself killed, guys. But the video gotta go on,
We're
guys.
ending the video right now,
Now,
guys.
as you can see, guys,
In
there's a
3,
couple of
2,
niggas standing
1.
there, guys.